Hey guys, today's video is going to be a favorites video. I'm going to show you guys my current favorite beauty products, lifestyle products. So before we get started, I want to let you guys know I'm doing this new little thing with my channel. I'm offering memberships. So basically you pay $2.99 a month and you get special perks. The first perk that you get is we're gonna be doing monthly live streams. I think I might do it twice a month, but I'm gonna get on here with you guys for like an hour, 2 or 3, or yeah, you know, we'll see. We're gonna do live streams and we don't have to talk about just Poshmark stuff. We can talk about pretty much anything. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So if you're interested in that, I will have a link down below. I'm gonna show you guys some favorites that I have been loving for a while now. Where should we start? Let's start with something amazing. This, friends, is my Clorox toilet wand. This is amazing. So I hate cleaning the toilets. I think cleaning toilets, that's fucking disgusting. Like seriously, it makes cleaning the toilets so easy. So basically, here's a little thingy, and this is clean, by the way. I wouldn't be like throwing this around if I just, you know, just cleaned a toilet. Okay, so you have this little wand thing, and then I can show you. Inside here, you have the little scrubber dubs. I call them the little scrubber dubs. Ooh, oh, it smells so good. It smells so clean. So basically, you just put this on there, and then you scrub. You scrub your toilet. It has magic Clorox stuff on it. And it cleans your toilet so well. I forgot who I saw talk about this. Sorry, I'm like flinging my toilet wand around. And then to release it, obviously you don't want to touch it after you've cleaned it. So there's a handy little button right here. You just go bing, and it like flings off, and you fling it in the trash. It's great. I don't remember who I saw talk about this. It was some mommy vlogger, and she like randomly mentioned this, and I was like, I'm gonna check it out. And this was cheap too. This was only like 10 bucks. So I got this. It came with 4 of the little wands, and then I got this pack of 20. And I think this was probably like 10 bucks too. So like 20 bucks, and you can clean your toilets, well, depending on how often you poop and how dirty your toilets are. Are we really talking about this? We are. I feel like everyone should own one of these because it's so simple. It works. It's amazing. It works. It's cheap. There's my plug for Clorox toilet wands. Bet you guys didn't expect that, did ya? Okay, switching gears a little bit, still talking about water, let's talk about bath salts. Some of you may or may not know, but I love me a bubble bath. I try to take a bath every night. Doesn't happen. Doesn't happen every night. But in an ideal world, I would take a bath every night. I love taking baths. I love Lush baths. Lush is like my all-time favorite bath company. But over the past like year or so, I've been using bath salts, and they're amazing. I love the Dr. Teal's brand. My favorite is the pink Himalayan and sea salt. But I have these two that I've been using. These are amazing as well. So this is the Dr. Teal's pure Epsom salt soaking solution. This is the coconut oil. If you want super soft, smooth as a baby's bottom skin, use this stuff. It is so amazing. This makes my skin so soft, and it smells so good. So yeah, I have this one, and then whew, guys, this guy was a new purchase. This is the glow, and I can smell it right now. Oh my gosh, this smells so freaking good. It's not even open. I mean, well, it is open, but it's like sealed. I mean, I've used it, but it's sealed, but I can still smell it. Okay, so anyway, it's the Glow and Radiance with vitamin C and citrus oils. You guys, this stuff is so like, oh my gosh, it just like awakens your senses, but like you're still able to relax, if that makes sense. You know, people take baths to relax, but like this relaxes you, but it like awakens you at the same time, if that makes sense at all. It says vitamin C promotes glowing, youthful skin. Citrus essential oils help to uplift your mood, which is totally true. Like, you know, this is a shitty time right now. This coronavirus went and fucked up the whole world. Which, by the way, can I just say, I'm so sick of seeing people on Facebook being like, coronavirus was planned. It's a conspiracy. Like, you guys need to wake up. We need to open up the world. I'm like, just shut the fuck up. Like, I don't know. I've seen so many people on Facebook lately just saying, just people on Facebook know more than medical professionals and doctors and researchers. They just know more. But I'm about ready to go on a deleting spree on Facebook and just delete all these people because this is a shitty time. We don't need you saying like, oh, well, it was planned. They planned it and they're gonna make us get a vaccine and the vaccine's gonna kill you and It's just like, shut the fuck up. So this is the Love Beauty and Planet Mimosa and Macadamia Nut hair oil. It's amazing. Okay. If you guys didn't know, my favorite scent from Love Beauty and Planet is the coconut water and mimosa flower scent. These are the bath bombs. These are amazing, by the way. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I was super excited when I saw that they made hair oil, and I grabbed this because it's the same like packaging, but this is mimosa and macadamia nut. So it doesn't really smell at all like that, but it still smells amazing. And this is one of the best hair oils I've ever used. It's like leaking out everywhere though. Yeah, it's so amazing. It's very lightweight, but it leaves your hair like super silky and smooth. Like I said, it smells amazing. Oops, I gotta put this back in here. Hold on. Okay, I know I've talked about this in a previous favorites video, but I want to give another shout out to this dry shampoo from Collab. It is the Dry Shampoo Unicorn Fragrance. I had originally gotten this for my daughter because she's like, my oldest daughter, Emily, she's like obsessed with anything unicorn. So I was like, oh, I'll get this for her. No, I kept this for myself because it's amazing. I got this at Target. I don't know where else you can get it. This is seriously one of the one of the breast. Can I talk today? No. One of the best dry shampoos I've ever used. And it's super affordable too. I think it's like $5 or $6. It smells amazing. It leaves your hair literally feeling like you just washed it. And yeah, I just had to give another shout out to it because dry shampoo is life, guys. Let's talk about blue light glasses. Everyone has blue light glasses now, which I think that's a conspiracy. Do blue light glasses really work? Just kidding. I got some. I don't know if they work. I don't know, I'm just going along with the trend, right? Okay, so I got these 3 pairs from Amazon, and I'll show you them briefly. And my ring light reflects the lens, so whoa, see, it doesn't look very good when I wear them. Okay, so these are just just a black pair, and this came in a 3-pack. Did I mention? I don't think I mentioned. And then we have this tortoise. I think this is the tortoise shell print. I like these ones. And then the other ones, not really a fan of. They're like a clear lens. I think only certain people can pull off clear lenses. I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them at all. But I'll show you guys what they look like. Oh, E. Hey. See, I can't pull them off. So yeah, you know, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. I think they were like, it was like $20 for all 3 of them. But yeah, I wear them when I'm on my phone or when I'm on my computer. And I like to think that it does something. Who knows? It's probably another conspiracy. Who knows? I have to mention my pregnancy pillow. It's upstairs right now. I'm not gonna go get it because it's huge. But I will put a picture on the screen and I will link it down below. I don't know why I waited until my 5th baby to get a pregnancy pillow. Like, I don't know why. All of my other pregnancies, I had trouble sleeping, obviously. You know, you have a big belly, you can't get comfortable. With all my pregnancies, I would say like the last 3 months, I would sleep like sitting up. Like I would have like pillows propped up against the back of the bed, and I would sleep like literally like this, like sitting up. And because of that, I have neck issues now. Like it's bad. It's not funny. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's really not funny. It sucks. But yeah, I had an MRI done and my neck actually curves forward when it should curve backwards. And I really think it's because of sleeping like that with all my pregnancy. Like I see a chiropractor now, like it sucks. I actually went this morning and my neck feels great. But anyway, pregnancy pillow. Yeah, so I got one because I want to be able to sleep comfortably. I'd rather not sleep sitting up, and I want to be able to sleep like a normal person. I saw Brianna Kay talk about this pregnancy pillow. Her YouTube name is Bits of Brie. And I was like, you know what? That looks nice and cozy and I'm gonna try it. Guys, I used it last night. It's amazing. Like it's amazing. I'm probably gonna use it even after I'm not pregnant. I totally recommend this pregnancy pillow. It was like $45 or $50. Worth every penny. So I am loving my new wallet. I'm very picky with wallets, like very, very picky. You have to have a little strap here because you know, I've got 3,000 kids and I'm always carrying around so much shit. Like I need to be able to just put my wallet on my wrist. Did not worry about it. But yeah, I'm loving this wallet. It's from Lululemon, and this color, you guys, I just love this color. It's like a mauve-y blush color. It's so pretty. I have been wearing the CoverGirl Outlast Active 24-Hour Foundation. I've been wearing this for like a couple months now, and I really, really like it. I love the coverage that it gives me. It's not like super full coverage, although you could build it up. I don't do that. I just like enough to just run, you know, just run, you feel me? But yeah, this stuff is awesome. It says it's 24 hours. I would never wear foundation for 24 hours. Like I wash my face every single night before bed. I do not sleep in my makeup. I used to do that like in my 20s, and I cringe thinking about that because it's so gross. But yeah, I've been loving this stuff. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then this, ooh, guys, this, I think I got in a BoxyCharm. I just randomly used this one day and I was like, oh, my camera's shaking. What was I like? I was like, holy shit, this is amazing. It's the Becca, what is this called? Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Like I said, I think I got it in a BoxyCharm. Comes in 2 colors. I have, I think it's just the original color. It's like a light, just like a light beige color. And then I think there's like a golden color. But basically what it is, it's just like a refreshing powder, but it has like a cool sensation to it. It's so weird. I don't know how it works, but it works. It's a powder too. It's not like a liquid, it's a powder. So it looks like this. You guys can't even see, but the little sticker here says, keep me closed to keep me cool. So I don't know if my camera's gonna focus. Oh, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, it's a powder. Guys, I don't have a brush near me right now. But you put your brush in it and you put it on your face and it gives you like a cool sensation. It's crazy. This is gonna be so great in the summertime when mama is hot and pregnant and I need to be refreshed. If you buy this stuff, get it on Amazon. Don't go through Ulta or Sephora, because I think it's like 40 bucks on Ulta and Sephora, and it's like 20 something on Amazon. So if you want to get this stuff, get it on Amazon. This is like magic in a friggin' container, because I don't know how it works. Okay, so that is it for this video. I've rambled on enough. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to purchase anything that I mentioned in this video, I'll have links down below. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.